Let's review how to customize tables and charts so you can evaluate the data that matters most to your business. The best way to spot opportunities for your business is to regularly review your performance data. With tables and charts, you can examine account-wide trends or find the answers to specific questions about your ads. To change the dates of your performance data, click the Date Range selector in the upper right of the page. This changes the date range for all your account pages. You can also compare date ranges. Choose your date range, click Apply, and compare your performance. Click the three-dot icon in the chart to see performance grouped by day, week, month, quarter, or year. Hover over the line chart to see more information about your performance for a specific time. To add or remove table columns, reorder columns, or save a column set, click the Columns icon and then click Modify Columns. Click a column category to see available columns, or type in the search box to search for a column by name. To add a column, check its box. You'll now see it in the list on the right. To remove a column, click the X next to it in the list on the right. To change the order of the columns, click and drag each column to your preferred position on the list. To save your selections for future usage, click Save Your Column Set and enter a name and click Apply. To resize a column in the table, click and drag the edge of the column header left or right. To sort your table, click the header of the column that you want to sort your data by. To reverse the order, click the same header again. You can segment your table data to break out what's most important to you. To segment table data, click the segment icon and choose which dimensions you want to use to split up your rows. For example, click Devices to see only devices data across all your ads and campaigns. Filter your table data to focus on what matters most to you. Click the filter icon and select what data you want to see. For example, you can select Clicks, enter 10, and then click Apply. You'll see results that have gotten more than 10 clicks. A blue filter will appear at the top of the table. You can also add filters by typing them in. Click the X to remove your filters. Segment and filter won't change the way your ads or campaigns are running, but will give you different ways of seeing your table data. To hide the chart, click the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of the chart, then select Hide Chart. To show the chart, click the three-dot icon in the table, then click Show Chart. To expand the chart, click the Expand Chart icon, click the Collapse Chart icon to return to the standard view. To change the metrics in a chart, click the drop-down menus in the upper right corner of the chart. You can view up to 2 metrics at the same time. If you have any filters applied, the chart will reflect only those affiliated metrics. To learn more about Google Ads, visit the Help Center.